How to remove the background of ideogram designs? Well, first of all, you have to understand that Ideogram actually doesn't come with a background remover, so there's virtually no way for you to directly remove backgrounds on Ideogram itself. However, I will now show you a 100% free and easy way to remove the background of any Ideogram design. To illustrate this, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of this karate cat right here. So the first thing we want to do is to actually save this design on our computer. To do that, we simply right-click on the design, and then we click on Save Image As, and then we give it the name, and then we click on Save. The next thing you want to do is to open up a new tab in your browser, and then please head over to the following website, photop.com. Once you're on photop.com, click on Start using Photop. And if you get this pop-up banner right here, click on Agree and Proceed, or first manage your options and then click on Agree and Proceed if you agree with everything. We can now use this tool. It's actually completely free and doesn't even need a login. How awesome is that? The next thing you want to do is to click on File in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on Open. Now on your computer, find and select the image that we downloaded earlier on Ideogram. Once you've done that, click on Open in the lower right corner of the screen. And here's our cool karate cat again. Now to remove the background, go to Select here on top, and then click on Remove BG. And just like that, we remove the background of this awesome Ideogram design. Finally, go to File in the upper left corner, then hover over Export As, and save this as a PNG file. Click on Save again to confirm. Specify a new name if necessary, and then click on Save to finalize the process. We have now successfully removed the background of this image and saved it on our computer. And that's it, guys. This is how you remove the background of any Ideogram design completely for free and without even needing a login. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Ideogram tutorials. Have a good one, bye!